This Christmas season is the perfect opportunity to grow your YouTube channel fast and get closer to monetization. If you're a beginner, don't worry. This is simple, practical, and anyone can do it. Whether you create African folktales, AI tutorials, filmmaking content, or video editing lessons, this video will help you get results. So let's dive in and make this Christmas your channel's best month yet. Why Christmas is the best time to grow. Before we start, here's why Christmas is the best time to grow your channel. More people are watching YouTube. Search traffic increases. Advertisers pay more. Trends move faster. People are on holiday. Consistent creators get pushed more by the algorithm. If you want fast growth, this is your moment. And don't worry, I'll show you practical steps you can apply right away. Section 2. How AI like ChatGPT helps you create faster. AI doesn't replace your creativity. It helps you create faster and smarter. Here are 4 ways AI like ChatGPT can help you grow your channel quickly. AI helps you pick viral Christmas topics. Ask ChatGPT or any AI assistant, "Give me Christmas video ideas in my niche." It could be African folktales, tutorials, AI content, or anything. It will generate trending topics, Christmas search video ideas, shorts you can post daily, niche-specific content. This saves hours of planning. Introduce yourself to AI for smarter strategies. You can use any AI, Gemini, Claude, or Grok, but for this demo, we'll use ChatGPT. Before asking for content ideas or strategies, it's important to introduce yourself so ChatGPT has context. Why? Because ChatGPT gives more accurate and tailored strategies when it understands your niche. This isn't childish, it's professional, smart, and strategic. Include in your introduction your niche, your style, your audience, your goals. For example, I will go to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. "Hi ChatGPT, my name is Learn with Emnet. I create AI tutorials, filmmaking lessons, video editing tips, and African folktale content on YouTube. My goal is to grow fast this Christmas season and reach monetization. Give me strategies that fit my niche." Sample response from ChatGPT. Optimize your channel banner and about section to clearly show your niche. AI tutorials plus filmmaking tips plus African folktales. Create clear playlists, AI for beginners, filmmaking tips, African folktales and storytelling, video editing hacks. Leverage seasonal trends, Christmas and New Year. Make both shorts, 15 to 60 seconds, and long-form videos. Use SEO, titles, descriptions, tags, keywords. Encourage engagement, comment, community posts. Consistent posting schedule, e.g. 2 long form plus 3 to 5 shorts per week. Remember, this strategy is tailored for my niche. You can follow the same steps to get your own custom strategy for your channel. Don't sleep on this, it works. AI helps you write scripts faster. Instead of spending hours planning a video, ask, "Write me a 1 to 2 minute YouTube script about this topic." Make it simple and engaging. Boom, you get a draft instantly. Edit it to match your style and your video is ready faster. Perfect when you want to create a lot of content during the busy Christmas season. AI helps you make videos more consistently. To grow and monetize fast, consistency is key. ChatGPT can help you schedule your content, write multiple scripts per week, plan 30 days of shorts, create descriptions, tags, and outlines. The faster you create, the faster you grow. It's that simple. AI helps you make better shorts. YouTube shorts are huge for discovery, especially in December. Ask ChatGPT, "Give me 10 Christmas short ideas I can film with my phone." Then make short, simple videos within your niche. AI tips, editing hacks, folktale snippets, even one good short can bring hundreds of new subscribers. Section 3. What content grows fastest during Christmas? This season, content that tends to perform best for fast growth include tutorials or how-to videos in your niche, tips, hacks, or guides related to your content area, seasonal or holiday-themed videos, short-form videos, YouTube Shorts, Reels, or TikToks, gift ideas, recommendations, or top lists related to your niche. Quick, engaging, and helpful content that people are searching for right now. Pro tip, ask ChatGPT what type of content is trending in your niche this Christmas, then just create it. Keep your videos simple, searchable, and helpful. Section 4. How to reach monetization faster. To get monetized faster, focus on shorts for subscribers, link to long videos for extra watch hours, long-form videos for watch hours, trending Christmas topics, posting consistently 3 to 6 times per week or daily if possible, original content, avoid copyrighted music, eye-catching thumbnails and titles. AI removes the hardest part, which is planning and writing, so you can focus on creating. Section 5. Example commands you can give ChatGPT. Here are some practical prompts you can use in any niche. Write me a YouTube script on give me 20 Christmas short ideas. Create a catchy YouTube title and description. Give me a content plan for the next 30 days. Generate 10 Christmas-themed video ideas in my niche. Remember, use AI as an assistant, not a replacement for your creativity. So yes, with the right strategy, you can grow your channel and get monetized faster this Christmas season. Use AI to speed up your workflow, stay consistent, and create videos that people are actively searching for right now. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like and share this video so other creators can benefit. And make sure to subscribe for more tips like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating, and let's make this Christmas the start of your fastest growth yet.